Okay, dear students, now we are in 5.3 exercise or 5.3 concepts. We have finished in the last class 5.2 exercise completely. Okay. See, we have studied in complex numbers quadratic equations also. That means the chapter's name is complex numbers and quadratic equations. First, we have drawn quadratic equation. From that complex number we have derived earlier. But in depth or not in depth, further we have not gone for quadratic equations. Direct we have gone to complex numbers we have derived, or what we can say defined, and we have done questions or problems on complex numbers. Okay, now let us go quadratic equation. Why? Because see, quadratic equation also little bit further we have to see what is quadratic equation and all. Okay, I am writing on quadratic equation. First understand this: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, if I write ax plus b is equal to 0, or 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, or 6x minus 5 is equal to 0, or minus 6x is equal to 0, whatever it may be, these are linear equations only, not quadratic equation. Okay, why? Because here x power is not 2, here x power is 1. That is why these are linear equations. This is a quadratic equation because x power is 2. What if a is equal to 0? What are, first of all, let us understand what are ABC. ABCs are coefficients. Coefficients are constant, normally we call. Those are to be called as coefficients. See, if coefficient A is 0, what will it will become? It will become bx plus c only. Then again it is going to become linear equation, not quadratic equation. That means for becoming quadratic equation, at least a should not be equal to 0, and this formula you have to write. Okay, here b0 c0, okay, no problem. You see here 6x square is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation only. Why? Because equal to symbol is there, x is having power 2. That's all. But here these are not quadratic equations. These are linear equations. You understand, na? That means condition for becoming quadratic equation is normally ax square plus bx plus c we will write, but even though you have to write a is not equal to 0 also. Okay. Okay. Now what will be the solution of this equation? Why? Because solution we will call, or else roots we will call. See, roots means normally the solution will comprise roots. That is why roots we call. Okay, we see what is the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, this is the solution. But here how many solutions are? Two solutions are there. You see, plus b square minus 4ac square root by 2a minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Two solutions are there. Then what is b square minus 4ac? B square minus 4ac separate, now we have separate name we have got. You see, b square minus 4ac is also called d, or discriminant. Okay, b square minus 4ac we will call it as discriminant. What is discriminant? Discriminant d is greater than or equal to 0. Until now we studied like this only. D should be greater than or equal to 0. Then two roots will come. Those are called roots or solutions. You see, now if this is the condition, x is equal to minus b plus root d by 2a, or minus b minus root d by 2a. Okay, these are called real roots. Okay, these are called real roots, but these are solutions only, real roots. Why? Because the roots are there, square roots are there. That is why normally we call it as real roots. Okay. See, what if x cube? Three solutions will come, but that is not come under quadratic equation, polynomial. Okay. That means, see, linear equation, one solution, quadratic equation, two solutions, more than two. Three means three solutions will come. Okay. But we will study up to two solutions only. We have limited to quadratic equations only. Okay. Now you see, what if d is less than 0? This already we have studied. Once again we discuss. Okay. You see now, x is equal to minus b plus minus d under root plus or minus by 2a. What about the square root of minus d? Normally we write no real roots. No real roots exist. Like that we write and we close that problem there itself. But now we are in complex numbers. Now we should not write this one. No real roots exist. Why? Because we have studied complex numbers. We have to find real, non-real roots also. Non-real means complex roots, that's all. You see now, let d is equal to less than 0 means minus 3. D is equal to minus 3. Then what you have to write? You see minus b plus or minus 3 under root by 2a. Let b and a will be like that only. Okay. Now you see how to convert this. We already seen. That is equal to minus b plus or minus 1 into 3 by 2a. Shall I write like this? Why? Because minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. Why? Because minus 1 square root, I can take it as I outside. Okay, finally what I am going to make it? Plus or minus I root 3 by 2a. You see, finally, if d is less than 0, complex number has come. This is a complex number. This is real number. This is real number. See, b and 2a are real numbers. Okay, we have not taken numbers, real numbers. Coefficients. Coefficients always will be real numbers. Okay. You see now, have we got a solution or not? That also two solutions. You see, quadratic equation, here also two solutions, even if greater than or equal to 0. See, equal to 0 is no two solutions, only one solution. Why? Because see, if this is equal to 0, then completely this is going to become 0. Minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a, that's all. Okay? Equal to 0 means only one solution. But if it is not equal to 0, greater than 0, then two solutions. Minus b plus root d by 2a, minus b minus root d by 2a. Okay? But what if it is less than 0? Less than 0 also discriminant, we have got two solutions. Minus b plus I root 3. I root d I say. Let it be d. Minus b plus I root d by 2a. Minus b minus I root d by 2a. Okay, root d means discriminant. Okay, this is our concept. This is not a big concept. Already we know complex number. Just we have broad complex number only, rather I say. Okay. Now these are not that much complex. 10 questions are there in 5.3 exercise. Until 8 questions very easy. 9th and 10th questions little bit careful. We have to apply brain. That's all. Okay. Let us finish those 10 questions also in this class. We will try to finish. Okay. Let us go for 5.3 exercise. Okay. Let us see exercise 5.3. Solve each of the following equations. 10 equations they have given. Each one we have to solve. Solve means what? What is the difference between solve and prove? Solve means x value, variable value you have to find normally. Simplify. Okay. LHS is equal to RHS. That will be in proof. Prove means you have to show LHS is equal to RHS. Like both are different. Here solve they are asking means you have to find the value of x. Okay. Now see, is it a quadratic equation or not? Quadratic equation only. Why? Because ax square plus bx plus c. Here c is there, bx is not there. That means b is 0. Like that you have to understand. A is 1. Okay. But directly also you can see, you need not write all these things. Why? Because in one step also you can do. Why? Because see, if you take this, how as per equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this form, if you take this, then a is equal to how much? 1. Why? Because 1x square. B is equal to 0. Why? Because bx is not there. 0 into x is 0. That is why not there. Okay. C is equal to 3. Okay. Then minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this way also you can take, but don't go this much for this question I am talking. Okay. Why? Because you see directly you can take x square is equal to minus 3. That's all. X square is equal to minus 3. Then what will be x? Plus or minus root of minus 3. Now you solve this. How to solve? X is equal to plus or minus minus 1 into 3 under root. See, first question, that is why I have explained like this. Or else minus 3 directly we can write I root 3. Okay? Now again, x is equal to plus or minus I root 3. That's all. This will be your answer. Why? Because see, minus square root of minus 1 as I have taken out. Okay? And root 3 will be like that only. X is equal to plus or minus I root 3. This will be the answer for your question. Even if you do as per equation also, same thing will come, but little bit extra time it will take. When b is 0, then directly you follow this procedure. Or else standard procedure means you have to follow this one. You see what will come? Minus b, 0. That is why here 0. Okay. Then plus or minus. Plus or minus will be there. Don't forget. B square 0. Minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 3. Okay. And square root of 2a. 2 into 1. Okay. 4 into 3. B square is 0. Okay. Let it be 12. Root 12 will come. Okay. Let it be root 12. Okay. 0 plus or minus. See. 0 minus 12. Minus 12. Minus 12 under root. That is equal to by 2. Okay. You see how you can write 12? 4 into 3. Right? 4 into 3. Okay. Okay. 0 plus or minus 4 into minus 3. I am writing divided by 2. Okay. See, anyway, minus 3 is there. 4 I am taking out. 0 shall we write again? Not right. Not required. Plus or minus 2 root minus 3 by 2. Now 2 going to get cancelled. Again plus or minus root minus 3. That is equal to plus or minus I root 3. Same answer is going to come. Okay. But this procedure takes lengthy. This procedure is easy. But this is not applicable for all. Why? Because see, ax square plus bx is there means you have to follow this procedure. Okay. Let us go for second question. Okay, see, 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation, quadratic equation. Now we have to solve. That means finally x value we have to find. X value normally in this exercise it has come, this question means x value will not be normal number, real number. It will be a complex number. Let us do. First you compare this with generalized equation. Generalized equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If you compare this with generalized equation, then you see a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. Why? Because 1 into x is 1x, x. C is equal to 1. Okay? These three results you have got. Okay. Then what will be the solution? Solution will be x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Is it okay? Okay. Then write down, substitute x is equal to minus b minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square Okay, 1 square, don't write 1 only, you write. Why? Because that much of experience you have got now. Okay. Minus 4 into AC, 4 into 2 into 1. Shall I write 4 into 2? Why? Because into 1 you write or don't write. Okay. 2 into A also, 2 only you write. Why you write 2 into 1 again? Okay. 2A. 2 into, oh sorry, 2 into 2 here. 2 into 2. Okay. 2A means 2 into 2. A is 2. But you see 1 minus 4AC. 4A is 2. Okay. But C is 1. That is why we have not written into 1. Okay. Okay. Let it be. Now. Okay. Now you see that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 8 divided by 4. 1 minus 8 means how much it will come? 8 minus 1, 7. 1 minus 8, minus 7. Minus 7. You write minus 7, minus 1 plus or minus minus 7 under root by 4. Okay. Now you have to think. Minus 7, how can you write? Minus 1 into 7. But in brain only you write. Why? Because see, minus square root of minus 7 comes means normally directly what you can write? You can write like this. I root 7 by 4. Why? Because you avoid one step. Even here also some steps I have increased. Not required. Directly you can write also. Okay. 1 plus or minus I root 7 by 4. I means square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1 means minus 1 into 7 under root minus 7. Okay. This will be answer for your second question. Let us go for third question. See the third question. X square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. This we have to solve. That means we have to find the solution of x. And normally that may be in complex number form. Okay, let us write. First you write a standardized equation and compare and find A, B, C. Okay. You see ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. With this, what you can find? A is equal to 1. Why? Because 1 into x square, comma. B is equal to 3. Why? Because 3 into x. C is equal to 9. Why? Because C 9 is there. Okay. Now, what is the formula for solution? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. This will be generalized solution equation. Okay, now again you write what will be? Substitute minus 3 minus b means plus or minus square root of b square 3 square 9. I am writing directly. Okay, 9. 4 into a into c, 4 into 1 into 9. Shall I write 4 into 9? Why? Because 1 into 9 is 9 only. 4 into 9. Okay, divided by 2a. 2 into 1. Now here we can write only 2. Why? Because 2 into 1 is 2 only. Okay. Now this is 36. 9 minus 36. Shall I write directly? Nine minus 36, 27. Shall I write 27 directly? Minus 27. Okay. By 2. 9 fours are 36. 9 minus 30. 36 minus 9 is 27. 9 minus 27 is minus 27. 9 minus 36 is minus 27. Okay. Now final answer you can write. Minus 3 plus or minus I root 27 by 2. Okay. Now you apply your brain. Here 27 you can write 9 into 3. 9 into 3 means 9 square root is 3. That means 3 root 3 also you can write this one. I 3 root 3 by 2. Is it okay? See, up to here also your answer is okay. But see, if it comes in objective type of question, answer may be this one rather than this. Even if this comes also, easily you can understand. You see, minus 3, plus or minus 2, 2 matched, I matched. Only these two are not matched. Then you have to think 3 root 3 means if you square this 9, put under root 9 under root 9 into 3, 27. Like that you have to think. Okay, this is not a big problem. Okay, let us go for fourth question. Okay, you see, minus x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation, quadratic equation. We have to find the solution of x. Okay, see, let us write standard equation. Standard equation, if you write, then automatically you can compare and write coefficients ABC, constants or coefficients. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 will be the standard equation. Then a is equal to minus 1, here you see minus, okay, minus 1. b is equal to 1 into x, comma. c is equal to minus 2, you see c is equal to minus 2. Okay, like this are there. Okay, now you write formula for general equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, okay. Here 2a means minus 1 is there. Carefully you have to write minus 2. Or else you are going to do the mistake. Okay. Now see, that is equal to minus b means minus 1. Why? Because b is 1. Plus or minus square root of b square 1 minus 4 into a into c. See, 4 into minus 1 into minus 2. Let me write 4 into minus 1 into minus 2. Under root. Why? Because here minus is there. That is why you write minus 1 also. 2a, 2 into minus 1. Okay. Now you see minus 1 and minus 2 plus 2 will come. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2. 4 into plus 2, 8. 1 minus 8, minus 7. Write down. Minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 7. You understand now how it has come? 4 into 2, 8. 1 minus 8, minus 7. Okay. See, what will come in denominator? Minus 2 will come. But this minus, can you transfer easily? No, you cannot transfer easily. Why? Because now we are in complex numbers. Don't transfer easily that much. That you have to take carefully how to observe. Okay. Okay, now this question we can write finally I root 7 by minus 2. This minus don't transfer, let it be like this only. Why? Because it will be complex to transfer this minus. Okay, why? Because if you transfer, then what will become? This minus is going to become plus 1 and this also going to become minus. I root 7 one time and the second time this is going to become, this is going to become minus, become plus. All this nonsense is going to happen. That is why let it keep like this only, minus 2. Okay, this will be fourth question. Let us go for fifth question. See the fifth question. X square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, this is a quadratic equation, but we have to solve and find the value of x. X may come in complex form also. Okay, let us do. First you compare with standardized equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, then what will be the a? A will be the 1, comma, b will be 3, comma, c will be 5. Okay, and what is the formula? Formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, then substitute. Then x is equal to minus b means minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square. 9 directly I can write. Okay, minus 4 into ac, 1 into 5. Shall I write directly 5? Divided by 2a, 2 into 1. Now here you can write only 2. Why? Because a is 1. Okay. Okay, you write down now. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of, you see, 20 minus 9 is 11. 9 minus 20 minus 11 by 2. Okay. Okay, now finally you can write the answer. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus I root 11 by 2. This will be your final answer. Okay. Minus 3 plus or minus I root 11 by 2 is your final answer. Let us go for sixth question. See the sixth question. X square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us find the solution. The solution may come in complex form also. Okay. First compare this with standardized equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If you compare this with standardized equation, then a will be 1, b will be minus 1, c will be 2. Okay. Okay. Then again you write formula. Formula for x. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. This is the formula. Okay. Now substitute. X is equal to minus b means see already minus is there. Minus of minus plus 1. You write directly plus 1. Okay. Plus or minus square root of b square. Minus 1 square also 1 only. 1 minus 4 into a into c. A is 1. Then you can write directly 2. 4 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 4 into 2. Okay. Divided by 2a. 2 into 1. You can write only 2. Okay. Always these only coming minus 7 minus 7 like. Okay. Let it be. X is equal to 1 plus or minus, you see, 1 minus 8 minus 7 by 2. You take one step. Okay. Now final step you can write. X is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 7 by 2. Okay. This will be your answer. I root 7 by 2. Complex number only. Okay. 2 you can take. See, this how can you write? Final answer, you see, this is final answer. Even then, 2 more types you can write. 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 7 by 2. This is also correct. Or else you take 1 by 2 out. 1 plus or minus I root 7. This is also correct. That means the three forms are equal. 1 by 2 you have taken out. Okay. Or 1 by 2 or 2 you have divided with real part and imaginary part. Both are same. Okay. In objective type of question, this may be answer, this may be answer, or this may be answer. You have to see and put it. In subjective question in board exam level or public exam, up to here you can write and close the answer. Okay. Let us go for 7th question. Okay. See the 7th question. Root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. This you have to solve. See here, little bit carefully if you observe. If I multiply with root 2, both sides, LHS and RHS, this side 0 will be intact. Root 2 into 0 is root 2 only. But here this will become x square and 2, but in between root 2 to x is going to become. Okay. Then where it is going to create a problem? Why? Because see, root 2 is there, b square, okay, 1 square minus 4ac, 4 into a into c, root 2 into root 2, 2 is going to come. Bottom also 2a means 2 root 2 will come. That is not going to create a problem. Let it be like this only. We will try to solve. If it creates any problem, then we go back and multiply with root 2. Okay, like that we have to think. Okay, let us see what will happen. Now you write a standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, I have written for standard form. And write the values of a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to root 2. Okay, these three forms, these three coefficients we have written. Now you write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay? Okay. Now you see minus b means what? Minus root 2. Sorry, minus 1. Minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square 1 square 1 minus 4 into a into c. See root 2 into root 2. You write root 2 into root 2. Okay. First. Then 2a. 2 root 2. Is it okay? Okay. Root 2 into root 2 will be 2. Root 2 square is 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 12. 2. 2 into 4, 8. 1 minus 8, minus 7. Minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 7 by 2 root 2. But here 2 root 2 is there. Okay. Now you can write this in the form of complex number. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 7 by 2 root 2. Okay. See, it has not created any problem. That is why directly we have done. If it creates any problem while calculation, see here root under root has come. But even though it has come, but after multiplication, roots have got cancelled and one root only has become. Okay. Let it be. We will see all types of questions we have to do to get experience. Okay. This is your answer. Let us go for 8th question. See the question number 8. Root 3x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Think, is it better to multiply with root 3 or let it be like this only? Root 3 if you multiply, this is going to become 3, this is going to become 3 into 3, 9. But here root 6 is going to become. Root 6 means again minus b minus root 6 square, b square minus root square 6. Like that you have to do. See what we do, let it be like this only, we will try to solve. If it create problems, then we multiply with root 3 and do again. Okay. See. Okay. Now you write standardized form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If this is the standard form, then here a is root 3, b is minus root 2. Okay. C will be 3 root 3. C will be 3 root 3. Okay. Now write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. This is the formula. Then you substitute now. Let us try to substitute. Minus b means already minus is there. Shall I write plus root 2? Directly I can write plus root 2. Okay. Plus or minus square root of, you see, minus root 2 square or plus root 2 square, both are going to give 2 only. Root 2 square is 2. Okay. 2 minus 4 a into c. Now you see root 3 into 3 root 3. 4 into root 3 into 3 root 3. Here little bit carefully you have to do the calculation. Okay. 2a, 2 root 3. That's all. Okay. Now you see here. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 4, 36. 2 minus 36 is going to happen. Okay. Root 2 plus or minus square root of 2 minus 36 by 2 root 3. Is it okay? Like this only you have to write. Okay. 2 minus 36 means how much it will come? Root 2 plus or minus 2 minus 36 means minus 34. Minus 34 under root by 2 root 3. Okay. 2 minus, minus 34 means how can you write? I root 34. Right now? But outside you see this is minus root 2. Root 2 plus or minus I root 34 by 2 root 3. Further also you can simplify, but here root 2 you can take common 2 into 17. Root 2 you can make common and cancel all things you can do, but even until now if you leave also that is not wrong. You are going to get full marks for board exam. If object type question is there means answer you have to see how they have made. Why? Because this root 34 you can split into 2 into 17. 34. 2 root 2 you can take out. Root 2 common you can make. Down 2 you can write 2 root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 you can cancel. Like this all you can do exercises. Okay. This is your 8th question. Let us go for 9th question. See, 9th question. X square plus x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Think how can we solve this? Why? Because denominator root 2 is there. Directly if we try, are we able to solve this? Difficult, tricky calculations are going to happen. So what can we do? Shall we multiply with root 2? Root 2 x square, root 2 x and 1 will come. Why? Because root 2 by root 2 is going to get cancelled, 1 will come. Okay. 1 is there, that will be better. Denominator is 1. Denominator should not come. If doesn't come, that is better. Like that we can take. If we multiply with root 2, it will be easy. Or else we can try with like this only and complexity will come. Then we can go back again. Like that also you can do. Okay. What we will do, we will multiply with root 2. See, multiplying root 2 means both sides you have to do. Only one side you cannot do. This side, even if you multiply with root 2 or root 3 or root 10 or whatever it may be, 0 only will come. 0 into something. Okay? Okay. Now you see how to convert this. Root 2 x square plus root 2 x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it okay? Why? Because root 2 I have cancelled. Or else I have taken LCM and sent this root 2 that side. Okay. Now you compare this with standard equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If you compare this with standard equation here, a will be root 2, b will be root 2, c will be 1. Okay? Okay. Now let us write x. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of 4 square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Then substitute minus b minus root 2. Okay. Plus or minus square root of b square root 2 square 2 minus 4 ac root 2 into 1 root 2. Okay. 4 root 2 by 2a. 2 root 2. Here you see how can you make this subtraction 2 minus 4 root 2? Now we have to apply our brain. Okay. See how I am writing. Minus root 2 plus or minus. Okay. What I am going to do, minus 1 if I take common, 4 root 2 minus 2. These are all under root. Okay. First you see this is correct or not. You observe first. See minus root 2 2 root 2 are okay. There is no change. Plus or minus are also okay. You see 4 root 2 minus 2 I have made, but with I am multiplying with minus 1. If you send this minus 1 inside, minus 4 root 2 plus 2 will become. Plus 2 minus 4 root 2. Is it okay? Now what can I do? This minus 1 under root I can take it as I. Okay, minus root 2 plus or minus I, but not at over this question. 4 root 2 minus 2 by 2 root 2. Now also you see 2 I can take common. Shall I take common 2? I can take common. You see how? Minus root 2 plus or minus I. Okay. Root 2. If I take it as out, root 2 is going to become. Okay. Root 2 and inside 2 root 2 minus 1. Have you understand this, or shall I make one more step? I am going to make one more step, you see. I under root 2, if I take common, 2 root 2 minus 1 is going to become. Okay, is it okay? 4 root 2, 2. 4 root 2, 2. Okay, 2 I have taken common. Okay, 2 root 2. Why? Because root 2 I can take it common and I can cancel out. Okay, root 2 shall I take outside? This is root 2 only, under root. I will take out, and 2 root 2 minus 1 will be inside the root. Minus root 2 plus or minus I root 2, and again 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. What will be the final answer? Why? Because see, root 2, the root 2 you take common and cancel. That's all. Then final answer will be like this, you see. Minus 1 plus or minus I square root of 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 will come. Why? Because root 2 going to get cancelled. This question I have done. Again you do again, once again. Same answer has to come. Minus 1 plus or minus I. See, first time you might have seen root under root again. This is 2 root 2 minus 1, but this is under again root, square root. Square root of 2 root 2 minus 1. Okay. Let us go for 10th question. Okay, see the 10th question. X square plus x by root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. You see, denominator root 2 is there. Denominator we want to clean. That means 1 we have to make. What can we do? Multiply with root 2. Here root 2 x square will come. Here x only will be there. Why? Because root 2 get cancelled. But here root 2 will come. Then 4ac, root 2 into root 2, 2 will going to come. It will be easy. Okay. Like that you have to think and proceed. Okay. Let us do multiply with root 2. Then it is going to become root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Is it okay? Okay. Now without writing that equation also we can write a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to root 2. Is it okay? Okay. Now write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Then substitute the values. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square 1 minus 4 a into c, root 2 into root 2. Okay, you write root 2 into root 2 only. Okay, by 2a, 2 root 2. Is it okay? Okay. Now root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 4, 8. 1 minus 8, minus 7. Right now? Minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 7 by 2 root 2. But how can you write that finally? Finally, this can be written like this. Minus 1 plus or minus I root 7 by 2 root 2. Is it okay? Okay. Now what we have done, we have finished this 5.3 exercise also. Next miscellaneous exercise is there. 5.4 I am giving that number. Okay. Next miscellaneous exercise, if any concepts are there, concepts we will discuss, or else directly we go for 5.4 exercise, miscellaneous exercise in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.